How to use ONE4ALL gift card on Amazon. Now in this video, if you have a ONE4ALL gift card on hand and wanting to use them on Amazon, here's how. So this will actually work for both mobile device application through Amazon or from their official website. Now you do not need to log in into your account. You just have to redeem that specific gift card and use them. Head straight into Amazon's official site, and as you can see, there are a lot of options here. Which one I have to choose here is gift cards. Now, on the next page, you'll see three options here. Just choose on redeem a gift card, and then there is a specific legend of the gift card that you have on hand. Now, an Amazon gift card claim code is actually 14 or 15 characters long and will usually contain both letters and numbers. Now, it will also be depending on what type of ONE4ALL gift card you use, if it will be allocated into the balance of your Amazon account. You just have to input the claim code here and click on apply to your balance. And that is how you use ONE4ALL gift card on Amazon.